Hello and welcome. You are watching WION World is One. I'm Jyotsna Kumar. Let's start with the headlines first. Lebanon vows to punish Israel after 8 people killed and more than 2,700 wounded in pager explosions across the country. Hezbollah says the pagers were used by its members. People vote in 24 constituencies across 7 districts in the first phase of elections in India's Jammu and Kashmir, first assembly elections in 10 years. Bangladesh's interim government grants army magistracy power, eligible officers to serve as executive magistrates. Taiwan's defense ministry says it has spotted a Chinese aircraft carrier group sailing through waters off its east coast, moving in the direction of Japanese island of Yonaguni. Venezuela arrests 4th U.S. citizen over an alleged plot to assassinate President Nicolas Maduro, 7th foreign national arrested in the aftermath of controversial presidential elections. Diddy Combs pleads not guilty after being charged with racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking. Indictment accuses a superstar rapper of engaging in decades of sexual abuse of women.